State's first homeopathy pharmacy and drug testing lab to be set up at Kairao Kuno. Health Minister espouses cultivation of economically viable medicinal plants. Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission signs MOU with 11 project implementing agencies of DDU GKY to provide skill trainings and job placements. Naga People's Front Manipur unit conveys hearty season's greetings. NPF President says party is patient to heartful unsolicited comments to maintain peace and harmony. And 24-hour statewide total shutdown called by banned Maoist Communist Party disrupts Nobel life. Banned supporters reportedly damaged two-wheelers. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar has laid the foundation stone for the construction of Manipur's first homeopathy pharmacy and drug testing laboratory at Kairao Kuno in Imphal East today. Speaking in the event, organized by the Directorate of Ayush and State Ayush Society Manipur, Minister Jayantakumar asserted that government is giving primary focus on health sector to make people of the state fit and healthy. He stressed on the benefits of herbal medicines and the need for such medicines to aid in allopathy. The minister espoused cultivation of economically viable medicinal plants for a sustainable livelihood. He also appealed for public cooperation in ensuring successful running of the soon-to-be-constructed homeopathy pharmacy and drug testing laboratory. Speaking in the event, MLA Kairao El Rameshwar believed that Kairao constituency will be ahead of other constituencies in health sector in near future.
Minister Chari, Sakad Hulangangi, government thing doing much of the Ishana, some Pushatanjagadi, Iumanungi, the lady of Makagiam, no item Bakalwari, Mingonda, Hydok, Hydopusungam, the Vaduga, Kuji, Pirukum, the Nayam Tawai, no item lady, Migi Masuna, Bantonga, Taipulaga, Piasangba, Apavaselaga, I do Makagi private school type, but I think I'm the line of I can't be line of the innocent, line of Kobiaro, Tan begin high name. Sambidan Chapel about the Kamato, Isas Nakri, happy cities in Abanabugi. There are certain responsibilities like dietary, fundamental rights may lay, fundamental duties may lay. Do fundamental rights in Fungi have Tagari, are you fundamental duties in Masa Kambatai? San Kaito, Tokuna Samasaka, and Yargade, Hybrid Maduma, Bakal can be whatever.
A memorandum of understanding MOU was signed between Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission MSRLM and 11 new project implementing agencies of Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gramin Kaushya Yojana DDU GKY with an aim to provide skills training in various fields and job placements to youth between 18 to 35 years today. The DDU GKY projects are market-linked and implemented in public-private partnership mode. Speaking in the event, organized by MSRLM at Hotel Imphal, Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane urged everyone to seize the opportunity provided by the scheme for skills training instead of merely waiting for government jobs. He assured that the scheme will pave a way for self-reliance. The Chief Minister mentioned that the government has provided loans and start-up schemes to individuals willing to take up enterprises.
But today I am very proud because at least those girls and the boys who are going to get training under this agreement, under this institution, they will get jobs somewhere and somewhere, and their security concern is absolutely secure. That is the advantage, that is the greatness of being a government. So many cold stories, the Amada Taurima Mayam, Yar Kadigi, Masjid Tabuk Taurima Mayam, see Kanogi, hotel that Oyauri, massage kit that Oyauri, beauty parlor that Oyauri, everywhere. Mayam late. But I moi to kamai like yes, I guardian na moi na koi the am anxiety way, insecure feel to way. But hujikti hariba reputed farm sing siga MOU must sign down a matung that no training from Mogolo and Namoy, Nakoi Tabok Pidusi, Mogi Makata Pigadamina, Nakoi security lady. Adune kwe the parents moina guardian moina. We feel happy, we'll feel secure.
Taking part in the event, RD and PR Minister Thongam Biswajit has asserted that the initiative is a major step for ensuring skill development of over 6,312 youth and women in remote areas of the state. The minister believed that the scheme initiated under Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be successful in eliminating poverty. He appealed to the signing agencies to provide proper skill trainings as well as give job placement to the trainees.
What is our biggest problem in the entire country is employment. And after the formation of the new government led by the Shri N. Birenji, we have tried and we have delivered many practical things. And today is also one of the biggest achievements what we are going to do, to provide employment and to improve the livelihood of our needy people in rural areas, particularly, and even in the urban youth also. So now, I would urge to all the PIS to have and to help a better training for our youths and try to give immediate placement as you have signed in the MOU.
All India Gramin Dak Sevak Union Manipur Division North East Circle in a press release informed that it will join the nationwide indefinite strike called by Gram Dak Sevak under the Postal Department for various demands starting on December 18th. Naga People's Front NPF Manipur State Unit has conveyed heartiest Christmas and New Year's greetings to all the communities of the state. Speaking to media at ADC Hall in Chingmairong today, President of NPF Manipur State Unit, Awangbao Nyumai, appealed to all the organizations of the state not to take up any actions which will dishearten people and cause tensions in this festive season. He also urged to all political parties and their leaders not to hurt sentiments by citing NPF at public platform for personal interests. Awangbao Nyumai stated that NPF, a major ally of the BJP-led coalition state government, has been patient enough by not reacting to unsolicited, hurtful comments in order to maintain peace and harmony in the state. He cautioned that it will be wrong to assume NPF as powerless. He said NPF strongly condemns those political parties and their leaders trying to malign the image of NPF for their selfish personal gains. The NPF state president asserted that it is time to reveal the truth. Stating that the people of the state are well versed, Awangbao Nyumai stated that blame games of political parties will not longer work. NPF MLA K. Lashio, NPF Working President, General Secretary and party top leaders were present in the press meet. Meanwhile, NPF Manipur State Unit today held a consultative meeting to chalk out various undertakings in relation to upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
Kanagumbana MPF Sibu Tonganba Ming Meng Yenge Harga Mana Haining Haire Harga Nasi Foba Lakpasida Hoi Tumina Lazabane. Akoi Kumde, Akoi Karisho, Nungai Tabasu, Mea among the Supondo Polatri. Akoi patient lege and the Lazabane. Maramdi, Miamana Nungairaga, Miana Mana Capto Lady, Nungaiba have separate TV the Leroy, Habisia Hoi Tazabane. Micham Prezasingbu, Lana Luchinga, Irang Tohanba, Amana Mabu, Yangchi Hanba Habisidi, Matam Natre. Masidi Ahe Sing Amana, platform the Kare Harga, Panghai the Harga, Prezamiam mislead Toviaba Matam Natre, Matung Manodadi, Mayam Gifanga Kale Harabadi. Fattaba party, Fattaba Khanba party and a brand tonangai, Tobi Gudu. Blame game Torga Tona Visida, who stated the general.
MLA of Sagolban Assembly constituency RK Imo has asserted that recent victory of Congress party in 3 state assembly elections has strengthened the party. He assured that Congress will regain its power in the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha elections. MLA R.K. Imo was speaking at the unveiling of Usha Bhavan Community Halls Extension Unit at Sayang today. The MLA stated that various development works, whether initiated by the government or not, are being undertaken in Sagolban constituency. He especially urged women's section to avail the benefits provided by Congress Party's Project Shakti scheme for women empowerment. MLA R.K. Imo also appealed to support the Congress Party's upcoming door-to-door donation campaign for reinforcing the party. Councillor of IMC Ward Number 7, R.K. Jitin, also attended the event.
Door-to-door campaign chalaga akoi sugumba akoi donation program house to house tagi leiba akoi party su mapang dhara dinu haidana akoi riba senga nusijaba party nu sababiyo haidana door-to-door campaign chalaga yam bana chama versu akoi leiba house to house tagi esasi repiyo haidana akoi magi mapangan ati ase nusijaba kanano nusijaba biyo idari su Laikai itu itu, ini menurut situ aku ini members ini sebenarnya kami masih satu negara, lagi laikai ini bahawa polisi namanya alaman ini bersih ini bahawa aku ini women committee members ni aku masih satu negara project hai door to door, aku jenis sakti ada yang hai aku ini Congress Party itu masih sudah kami dengan si.
CPI Manipur State Council in a press release informed that CPI Manipur State Council leaders Dr. M. Nara, L. Sotin Kumar, K. H. Surchand and M. Sakhi have left Imphal today to participate in the 3-day Communist Party of India CPI National Council meet to be held at Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh from tomorrow. One shop opposite to Sunusifai Upper Primary School at Sunusifai in Bishnupur district was set ablaze by unknown miscreants late last night. Early morning workers came across the gutted down shop today. The shop belongs to one Warepa Ibomcha. Goods worth 1 lakh rupees and 15,000 cash were destroyed in the fire. Around 30 illegally constructed houses of Thanampokpi roadsides along National Highway No. 2, Imphal Moray Road were demolished today. Police officers of Technopol Chandral and Kaching districts carried out the eviction drive using JCB under the instructions of DC Chandral and DC Kaching. The house owners were reportedly given prior notice by the officials to evict themselves in view of government's project to widen the road. Police personnel kept strict vigil to prevent any unwanted incident during the eviction drive. A combined team led by additional SP of NAB, Saklemba Rajkumar, has destroyed around 97 acres of illegal poppy plantation at Old Boljang and New Boljang Hill range of Kangpokpi district under Sagolmang police station today. The destroyed poppy plants would have yielded around 970 kilograms of opium. The combined team, comprising of personnel of NAB, 5th IRB Battalion, Imphal East District Police, NCB Executive Magistrate along with officials of the Forest and Horticulture Department, carried out a drive from 8:30 a.m. till 3 p.m. today. A criminal case was registered at NAB police station. Imphal East Commando team has arrested 3 members of proscribed outfits this afternoon. The team arrested 2 proscribed PLA RPF cadres identified as Gurumayum Siddhartha alias Giyamba, 24 years, son of Gurumayum Rana Pratap from Brahmapur, Thangapat Mapal, Bhambon Laikai, and Khaidem Milan alias Bobby, 23 years, son of KH Ingocha from Kongpal, Khaidem Laikai. The team also arrested one self-styled sergeant of proscribed outfit UNLF around 2:30 p.m. The arrested person is identified as Mohammad Jails alias Poire, 31 years, son of Mohammad Siraj Ahmad from Porompat, Pangal, Leirak. The arrested individuals were handed over to Porompat police station for legal actions. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Amokok condemning the recent vandalizing of WAQF board office in Hatta. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Prime Time English News. Manipuri Muslim community has strongly condemned the vandalizing of WAQF board office and alleged verbal assault on Muslim girls hostelers at Hatta by suspected members of Minathong Social Welfare Union on December 14th. President of All Manipur Muslims Organization Coordinating Committee, Amokok SM Zalal, urged the government to award befitted punishment against the perpetrators. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club this afternoon, SM Jalal warned the government to take all responsibilities in the event of any unwanted incidents if the government fails to take actions against the miscreants. He also appealed not to delay the construction of proposed market shade at Hatta. The Amokok president further warned those individuals trying to hinder developmental activities to gain personal interests.
Yamna matik chaba adugumba ain gi thabak paikhatkadabani loinana makhoi sing adu adugi halaman sing guardian sing amasung adugi daita leiba adu mamioi sing duna puthoraga miyamda madu public apology tawgadabani madu nataba taragadi makhata na tholakpa afafata gi daita adu mamioi sing duna pujagadabani haba afamsiso thamjari.
Various civil society organizations, including MMWO, have also condemned the vandalizing of WAQF board office, suspected to have been carried out by members of Hatta Minathong Social Welfare Union. The organizations demanded befitted actions against the perpetrators. Representatives of All Manipur Pangan Farmers Development Organization, AMPF-ADO, MMWO, and its Women Wing and Lilong Political Unified Link, Lipul called a press meet in this regard at MMWO office in Hatta this afternoon. Representing the organization's MMWO General Secretary, Mohammad Amin Uddin Mojingcha intimated that Hatta Minathong Social Welfare Union has earlier objected to government's proposal for construction of a market shade at WAQF board complex. He said, a market complex in the area is a necessity and hence called for a peaceful dialogue to reach an understanding.
Tasengna wakabot si government na senafam thoi government property ni government sem ki board ni lanayo mioi kharana club ni ga na maming thonjilaga thugai khai toba aduga hostel da leiba future gi foundation oigidaba aduga blaba student sing da ninghan na ya bo wangang sa ngangam bai base masi taseng nungaite Sotana le haureba minority praja singi de maktaneba wak board in ladies. Wak board kilam in chio fa mang basu yaroi. Masida ato padagi singje yai basu yaroi. Minority maitei pangal singna. Tak nudun lakre multi-purpose market set sana baina. Mamang I government na masi divide and rule policy to raga masi to wiram dre. BJP no sing government sina de masi divide and rule si koi tawguni haba mak tasenga thaja de. Government sponsor scheme masi lakpa sida multi-purpose hall se lairiba jaga si ahang mulam da sabina baina koi media ki thongda government so appeal tawjari.
Peace and Social Advancement IPSA in a press release has expressed grief upon the sudden demise of former leader of Women Welfare Association of Kanglei Park, Ima Memcha from Thaubal Mela ground on December 13th. The 24-hour statewide total shutdown called by banned Maoist Communist Party MCP since last midnight has crippled normal life in the state. Impact News sources said a scooter was set ablaze and some two-wheelers vandalized at Waitho National Highway under Lilong Police Station this morning. All shops and business establishments except for few street vendors remained closed in all the major markets of Imphal City like Kwairamban Market, Pauna Market, Thangal Market and MG Avenue. City roads bore deserted looks with few private vehicles on the move for emergencies. Normal activities in offices and educational institutions of the government remained unaffected. Banks, private institutions and oil pumps, however, remain shut down. The 24-hour ban called by proscribed MCP in demand for renaming Manipur and renovation of Mongba Hanbak Kubam and Kurai Hongpung will end this midnight. It may be mentioned that Another proscribed group, KCP People's War Group Marxist Center, had earlier declared statewide total shutdown from the midnight of December 16th till the midnight of December 18th. The 23rd state-level youth festival organized by the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India since November 23rd, concluded today at Kuman Lampak Auditorium. Speaking in the concluding event, former YAS Director W. Bhaktara stressed on the need to nurture youth as they play major roles in nation building. He also urged every youth to realize their responsibility to bring about national integrity and unity in diversity.
Culture, language, caste, festival, oneness, Indian national, India national level, Manipur, Assam, Tripura, South India, West India, India diversity, unity diversity, nobody knows. Rural area, urban area, knowledge with the Adigi, as soon as we are Zaga, Dimension Haven, Harutina, Mana Kangiban Morezo, it's a better coming, couldn't a coming about. The same level,
Five books were released today as a part of the ongoing 27th Imphal Book Fair, jointly organized by Manipur Library Association and Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation, Kolkata at Thangmaiban Thau Ground. The books were Punsi Khongchatsida Lining Lambi Thiba, written by Nauroibam Khamba Luwang, Manipuri Panthai Pauro Poktak, written by Dr. El Tondon, Ipam Lamdamgi Numidang Wairam, written by Laikuram Kalachan, Preservation and Conservation of Manuscripts, written by Dr. Lashram Sandhya, and Manipur Ki Shri Madamohan, written by Pangabam Borod. Eminent writers of the state attended the book releasing ceremony. A discussion made against intoxicants abuse was held at Kodompope Mayai Laikai Community Hall today. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol GADA, Imphal West District Committee, and Kodompope Mayai Laikai Nisaband Association jointly organized the program. Uyumpok Welfare Association, Mairapaive Village Development Committee, Uyumpok Friends Union Club Uyumpok and GADA Uyumpok Unit jointly took out a mass torch rally as a part of Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol GADA's ongoing fight against intoxicant abuse in the state at Uyumpok in Imphal East District last evening. Rallies chanted various slogans against drugs and substance abuse and urged the government not to license liquor production in the state. Residents of Laimakong and Manipur Amateur Karate Do Association today gave a warm welcome to player Ankit Prasad from Manipur, who represented India and bagged a gold medal at the recent 9th Commonwealth Karate Championship held at Olive Convention Center, Durban, South Africa. Laimakong Bazaar Authority organized a reception program at Laimakong Bazaar Mandal Hall. Speaking to Impact News, Vice President of Karate Association of India cum founder of Manipur Amateur Karate Association, Kiran Kumar Thangjam, intimated that 3 players from Manipur participated in the championship held from November 29th till December 2nd. He said Arbia from Manipur fetched a bronze medal in kata event of the championship in under 8 years category. He expressed that many gold medalists of national and international level can be produced from Manipur if a regular coaching center for karate is established under the Youth Affairs and Sports.
Number one, regular coaching center ma Youth Affairs and Sports da course ani maga nupi maga nupa maga course ama provide tawbiraba. Sida district mayam ma expand tawre. District sing ida yam da course amam dang thambiraga de karate gi kano sing se. So no ki hena khoi mai pak pa atop discipline na piba performance mana in the Olympic haji karate Olympic in the 2020 Olympic Tokyo de join yawrani. Sikatana tana khoi gi Asian Games adigi laiba tonga ba official championship hai tare ko. World Championship adagi Asian Championship singma mayam singida adum soinam ki performance akoi piraga ni haibagi
Before we conclude today's bulletin, let's take a look at headlines once again. State's first homeopathy pharmacy and drug testing lab to be set up at Kairao Kuno. Health Minister espouses cultivation of economically viable medicinal plants. Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission signs MOU with 11 project implementing agencies of DDU-GKY to provide skill trainings and job placements. Naga People's Front Manipur unit conveys hearty Association's greetings. NPF President says party is patient to hurtful unsolicited comments to maintain peace and harmony. And 24-hour statewide total shutdown called by banned Maoist Communist Party disrupts normal life. Banned supporters reportedly damaged two-wheelers.